Last 4 questions of this chapter, questions 32 through 35. Question 32. These are some just review of your equations, or the beginning of equations. So, these are one-step equations. Minus 9 times n equals negative 45. The goal here is to solve for n. We must get rid of what is attached, and we do it by doing the opposite of how it's attached to the other side. So we want to keep n, so we want to get rid of negative 9, but it's attached with multiplication. So we are going to divide this side by negative 9, and we're going to divide this side by negative 9. Negative 9 divided by negative 9 is 1. 1n is just n. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So n equals 5. If we were to plug 5 back in, minus 9 times 5 is equal to negative 45. Look at question 33. This says n divided by negative 7 equals 4. So again, we want to get rid of the negative 7 because we want to keep the n. It is attached through division, so we're going to multiply. If we multiply this by negative 7 over 1, that's like canceling these two out. And we take this times negative 7. So n is equal to 4 times negative 7. A positive times a negative is a negative. 4 times 7 is 28. Question 34. Here we have x take away 16 equals negative 36. Again, we want to keep x, so we want to get rid of minus 16. The opposite of minus is plus. So we add 16 to both sides, and that leaves us x. Minus 36 plus 16. I have 36 minus signs. I have 16 plus signs. I have more minus signs, but I have less of them than what I started with. So I'm still in the negative, but I'm in the negative 20 because I subtract those two numbers. And the last one, 9x equals 8x minus 4. This one just is introducing that you want to get all your letters on one side and all your numbers on the other. So since we already just have letters over here, we're going to move these letters over here by getting rid of the whole chunk of letters, and we can add or subtract to do that. So we're going to minus 8x from this side, and whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. That cancels it. 9 dogs or 9x take away 8x, leaves me 1x, which is just x, and I have left over here negative 4. So I get x is negative 4. This was chapter 2. And if you had any questions and you didn't get any of these right, or you had problems, please see your teacher. Thank you.